Hey folks, welcome to InTheMoneyStocks.com's live trading action video. My name is Gareth Soloway, Chief Market Strategist here. Today's date, Monday, May 4th, 2015. I want to take you through a trade I gave our members on McDonald's today. I want to go through the strategy of understanding exactly how to do this so you can do this in the future and make tons and tons of money. All right, so this morning we got word that there was a restructuring at McDonald's. The stock gaps lower on the news, and this is where things got intriguing to me because initially, as you can see, the stock today gapped lower here and then surged up on good volume. All right, at the open, when that happens, that's institutional money coming in. So you have to read that again when you see heavy volume on a gap down and the market and the stock here, in this case, surges up right to gap fill. That's institutional money buying in. All right, they're getting in right away because they know something's coming up. Now, it just so happens that this stock was going to have a conference call that starts at 11 o'clock. All right, 11 a.m., and it already is underway. Obviously, it's almost midday now on this Monday. Point is, when you see institutional money pushing a stock up this dramatically off a gap down to gap fill, what you do, and what I said to our members here at InTheMoneyStocks.com, I said buy the pullback into key support. You're going to get a pullback because you're still going to have amateurs. Once the institutions have bought in early on, they're going to sit back. They got their shares. Now they wait for the conference call. What you're going to have following that initial surge is some weary kind of sellers out there, the small players. They're going to sell, right? And you can see the volume get very, very light here. And the stock pulled back right to the 200. And I said to members, not only is that a 50% retrace level, but it's also a key support right there. The fact that the institutions wanted to get long this early on is an indicator you buy on pullbacks. And I said those exact words to members. Buy on pullbacks. Buy on pullbacks. All right, just to make sure it's a key technical level. So patiently, they waited. We bought here at the 200 moving average. And then look at the stock start to fade up. The conference call starts, and it pops literally all the way up to $98.63. All right. The buy level here that I gave was $97 right here at the 200. And look at this. Goes all the way up to $98.63. That's over a $1.50 move in a matter of an hour. And again, you have to understand how I made that conclusion. The big money came in early. It popped up. They got in. All right, they're not wrong, folks. They're wrong once in a million. All right, so obviously the chances of this being that once in a million very small. They bought in. They went in. Stock pulled back. We read that the institutions were in. We bought on a pullback at the key technical level, the 50% fib level, as well as the 200 MA right there. And we waited, and it popped up. That is a classic trade. Read these charts correctly, and you can make a SHT amount of money. I mean, it's that nuts, okay? You can make that much money just by reading simple things. I mean, just imagine doing 1,000 shares of that. $1,500 in your pocket. Done. Who else is making $1,500 in a day? Even just one trade. We made 3 or 4 others today anyways. Made a ton of other money. But again, the key is here, guys. Join us here at InTheMoneyStocks.com. You want setups, you want to learn, you want to do this stuff in your sleep and just be able to click buttons and make money. I mean, imagine that. Click my mouse twice, just made a G note. Done. In 30 seconds sometimes. Sometimes it takes an hour. Whatever. It doesn't matter. The point is you do it over and over again. You make thousands a day. In the Money Stocks is where it's at, folks. Come join the Research Center. Take the 7-day free trial. You want to learn how to day trade, take the Intraday Stock Chat. Free trial, 7 days. If you want to do options, join the Options Alerts. All right? Last week, Options Alerts, Research Center Chat, unbelievable profits. Literally, I made over $100,000. Come join us now. InTheMoneyStocks.com.